We provide what is the heart of any travel, which is your experience. Everything from flights to hotel to activities to multi-day tours. This is our specialty, and we do it with a lot of passion. TUI Amusement is a part of TUI Group. It's the biggest integrated travel company. What we have is agility to try different things, try new things. This is our DNA. We have served 15 million customers just last year. We have sold over 10 million excursions, 30 million transfers. We are customer-centric. If the customer says that we need that performance, we will provide that performance. And that's where MongoDB Atlas have helped us. Where before we used to take for planning 72 hours. Now we are taking a couple of minutes to plan the same thing. In a digital world, performance is everything. If you do not get your foundations right, you cannot build your future right. And that's why it is important we should choose the technological component carefully. We were coming from a very heavy legacy platform running on SQL servers. They're very rigid. And that's where we start experimenting first with MongoDB. So definitely the natural choice that we took Atlas into all our systems. Customer demands are different and they are demanding more from the travel companies. In travel, you want to search. This is the first thing you do, which is the most important component in any travel industry. We need to deliver back the response in 30 milliseconds. That's why we took that decision to roll MongoDB Atlas as a core component in our search engine. MongoDB Atlas is providing us everything in one place. We have our data sets, we have our search there, and the AI perspective is also there. The GenAI solution, which is connected with basically a vector store, and this vector store is our MongoDB Atlas. Suddenly it's very scalable because you can deploy it to cloud. It is scaling, it is secure, and then we can deploy it everywhere we want. MongoDB Atlas is very near to that silver bullet. It solves a lot of things. The best thing about MongoDB is that it is giving us the out-of-the-box solution. When we talk in the context of a travel company as a digital transformation, it's not only about the system and solution, it's all the business models as well. We do not see MongoDB as our supplier, but as our partner. If you are still here, then you have realized that I am the fanboy of MongoDB Atlas. Try it yourself. You will feel the difference.